So welcome to another tutorial. So today we'll be looking at how to derive our slope, aspect and hillshade from digital elevation model. Remember in our previous class we looked at how to derive our digital elevation model. We saw how we downloaded our digital elevation model from open topography and how we symbolize them. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to create our slope from this, how to create our aspect and how to create our hillshade. So without wasting much of our time, we'll be going straight. So all you need to do is to open your ArcMap, then locate your Arc toolbox. Then under your Arc toolbox, go to your Spatial Analysis tools. Under your Spatial Analysis tools, go to your surface. Under your surface, go to what? Look for your slope. Now this is your slope. Now your input raster will be your what? Your digital elevation model. And then this will be your what? Your slope. So you can name it slope. I name it slope. Sir. Then leave every other things. Make sure this is degree, this is planar. Then okay, let it run. So now you can see this is our hillshade. So you can check the, you can change the symbology. Can change the symbology. Can change it to, let's make use of, no, okay, let's make use of this. Okay. This is not really appealing, so you can change it to something much better and preferable. Let's make use of this. Okay, I think this is better. Yeah, this is better. So now it means that all these areas, they are flat what terrains, as you can see, between 0 to 0.65. see, they are flat, the degree, the vertical angles. So these are what? They are flat terrains. Now areas like this, we can uncheck this so that we can get a perfect, then no color on your shapefile. Now these areas, they are what? They have high terrain. So they are steep terrains. They have what? High elevations. As you can see, elevation up to about 23 degrees. So this has flat terrains and all. This is between 0 to what? 0.65. So now we can now derive our aspect. Now aspect is the compass direction of the slope, and the measurements proceed from what? From the clockwise direction, from 0 to what? 360 degrees. Yeah, it proceeds clockwise from the north, from 0 to what? 360 degrees. So now let's go, you go over to the same place, your spatial analysis tools, then you click on what? Your surface, then you go to what? Aspect. And from your aspect, your input raster should be your what? Your digital elevation model. Name it what? Aspect. See you, sir. Then you can let it run. As you can see, this is your what? This is your aspect map. This is your aspect map. They are what? They are what? The compass direction of what? The slope. The measurements from what? From 0 to 360 degrees. Measured from the north. So the reds are what? As you can see from the direction. As you can see, the reds are what? North, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest, and what? North. You can see the north there are three from 337 degrees towards 22.5 degrees. They are the red, so those are the north. Then as you can see northwest, the northwest spans, which is in this direction, spans from what 292 degrees to what 337 degrees. So that is the direction of what the slope. Yeah. So now next we'll be talking about the Hillshade. Now Hillshade shows the elevation of the surface in relief by mimicking a source of illumination. Yeah. It helps us to visualize the terrain and what the landforms. Yes. So it helps us to visualize the terrain. So now let's go over to the shade, still under the same spatial analysis tool, surface, then shade. Now in shade, your input raster, remember, is also your DEM data. So you input it as what your shade, then now it's telling you now the azimuth is what 200 and what 15. That is what the source of illumination, the source of the angle of the source of illumination. So now the altitude is what 45 degrees. Leave this as it is. Don't tamper with it. That is the angle of what the source of illumination. Now let's check our shade is running. Now as you can see, this is our shade. Now as you can see, if you zoom clearly, you can see these are dark areas, these are what light areas. You discover that they are all coming from what this angle, which is what the 300 and what 15. So that is the source of what illumination. Those are the source of what illumination. As you can see, that is the terrain, the landform. You can uncheck this. You can uncheck this if you want just the terrain. As you can see, this is what the shade. This is the shade of Ethiopia local government. Then you can check this. Click on this. Check this. This is your aspect. This is your aspect. Reds are the north. The direction of the slopes toward the north, northeast, east, and all. Then you can click on your slope, and this shows your terrain. This shows your flat terrain. This shows steep terrains, and all shows the terrains of the ground and all. So with this we'll come to the end of today's tutorial. So you can like, subscribe, and follow for more.